time. Hey guys, it's a new day on site, and finally I got the new Primegrip benders, and I'm so excited to try them out. All with leverage bars. As you can see, we have a 10-inch leverage bar. They're very thick cast metal. This allows you to bend metal with ease, so let me show you how it's done. So I'm going to start off with the 15.25-inch, 1-inch throat handle bender. Now this thing has a 1/8 opening, so it allows to slide a lot easier on beaded or striation metal. As you can see all the beading on this metal. Sometimes it makes it hard with your other benders to get them in there, especially, so this one just slides right in. As you can see, nice and easy. So here we're going to bend it, we're going to show you how easy it does. You just put it on a flat surface. Wow, that was way nicer. That was awesome. That was awesome. It was just amazing with that leverage, what it does to your hands. You can bend all day with this now. This gauge being 24 with striation in it makes it really tough to bend. So this is just the absolute tool for thick metal. And I guarantee it make you happier and your hands a lot happier. So Primegrip also has a two-handed bender. These also work nice to get your body weight behind the bend. So they work on your good panels like this. Or they have a 2-foot bender, which also works on doing your valley bends and comes in handy for those long bends. So I'm going to bend this panel up here. As you can see, the design of this 2 handles allows you to put 2 hands on it for pressure. You just put your body weight into it, and it folds over nicely. And again, it's the 1/8 opening allows for it easily to slide over the beaded metal. So we got the piece in set for the valley bend. Use the 1-inch fold because you have a 1-inch fold in your W valley for the metal. A little harder on a small piece. So until it's really thick metal, it still gives you that nice bend that you're looking for. So I'm really stoked to have the new Primegrip benders. It's going to help me work quicker and more efficiently. So all you prime liners out there, make sure you grab a set. Have a good day. Big time.